Welcome back, guys, and today we have LED lighting. So what we picked up are some T8 LED strips. So you can see these things are super long. And we have 5 of them. Actually, we have 6, but only 5 work. We have little extension cords. We have plugs for them. And they basically daisy chain together and make one big light thing. What we're going to do is going to hook one in. See how bright it is. Because I know it is bright. And then we are going to lay out how these will actually go in the garage. Let's just hope this is the one that's not broken. Let's see. Oh, look at that. That is going to be super bright. So, I don't know if you guys can see that or not. That is going to be awesome. And we have 5 of these. So just imagine this garage with 5 of these in here. Gonna be awesome. So, I'm going to drop it and I'm going to break it before I even get it up. So, let's kind of lay out where we're going to put these and get them strung. So, we found our one bad one, which it only like half lights up. So it might be something that burned out a driver in the end or something, but we'll leave that one for last. We do have 5 good ones, so my idea is to start here on this side since our plug's right there. Plug right in. We can run 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'm tempted to run 1 across the top, across the front, but we are taking out that wall, so when we get to that point, we might be able to shimmy them around, but yeah. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That will get us, let me drop my phone. That will get us kind of the light admittance that we are looking for. So, let's start. We have these little clippy hooks, but I think all of these, God, I am klutzo today, that these clip into and easy. So, let's get these put on and located. So far, we have 3 installed. So you can see the one along the back. We have 1 here and 1 here. We took down our 1 light on this side, but look at this light difference between 3 and none. 3 and none. Like, there is so much light in here now. Like, it is incredible. It's amazing. We have 2 more. They're going to go 1, 2 on that side. Up there on top of that. So, let's get the other 2 up. I think I'm going to hang them from the ceiling on this side. 1 and 2. And be done. We're going to connect them and then we'll be golden. So, let's get those 2 up on the ceiling and get done so we can see what our final lighting upgrade looks like. So guys, as you can see, this is the garage with the current lighting that we had. So we had this trifecta light over top, actually gave us a lot of light. We had the LED tubes above us, but with these new 5 lights, you're gonna see how much light we actually have in here and how awesome it is now. for filming, for working, for literally doing anything. I'm gonna flip this switch and you're gonna see the difference of this garage. It now is fully lit. We have so much light. It is incredible. I'm lit all the way back here. I'm lit above, to the sides, everything. Look how lit the car is. So anything we do on the car, we actually will not have any problem working on it and getting stuff done. We're completely covered, both sides, full light. It is awesome, guys. But this was a super quick video, guys. I know I didn't film much. It literally was drilling in some clips and clipping them in, but I just wanted to show you the new lighting for the garage.